All right, so each participant has 3 trials, and for each trial, a score of -2, -1, 0, 1, or 2 is given. So it says the participant's final score consisted of the sum of the first score, that's the first score, x of 1, plus 2 times the second one, plus 3 times the third. There's my little expression. If Anne received scores of 1 and -1 for her first 2 trials, not necessarily in that order, which of the following could not be her final score? All right, so if it's a 1, let's say she gets 1 on her first score and -1 on her second one. So that's 1 plus 2 times -1 plus 3x3. And that gives me 1 minus 2 plus that, and that's going to be 3x of 3 minus 1 is one expression. Now, what if she does -1 on the first one and 1 on the second one? That's -1 plus 2 times 1, or 2, plus 3x on the x of 3. And that's going to be 3x of 3 plus 1. So now, let's figure out about her third score. So let's do a table. And we know on her third trial, she's either going to have a -2. Hope I have enough room here. A -2, a -1, a 0, a 1, or 2. This is 3x 3 minus 1 might be the expression, or it might be 3x3 plus 1. So what we want to do is just plug these values in here and see what you get. So let's try -2. -2 in this first one. -6 minus 1 is -7. -6 plus 1 is -5. -3 minus 1 is -4. -3 plus 1 is -2. Now try 0. I love 0. And try 1. That's going to be a 2. And that's going to be a 4. And I'll try, And now let's try 2. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is a 7. So it looks like, let me see, it looks like what? Which of the following could not be her final score? So -4 is here, -2 is here, 1 is here somewhere, 5, but there's no 6, so your answer's got to be 6.